This Lictin PlayStation 5 cooling station doubles as a sturdy vertical stand that securely supports standard, slim, and pro versions of the console. The integrated cooling system uses an enlarged turbofan with 3 speed settings to pull heat away from the console and keep performance stable during long gaming sessions. Dual controller docks can charge 2 PlayStation 5 gamepads in roughly 3 hours, with clear status lights that make it easy to see when each one is ready. The stand includes ambient RGB lighting with multiple color and effect modes, plus a memory function, so your preferred look returns every time you power it on. 3 additional USB ports turn the base into a small hub, letting you plug in a headset, camera, or other accessories without constantly reaching behind the console. By combining stand, cooling, charging, lighting, and accessory organization in one footprint, this dock helps keep a PlayStation 5 setup tidy while adding a premium, custom feel.